In this Upload Bucks review, I'm going to be showing you a product that's claiming you're going to make $59 over and over again simply by uploading other people's videos. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Upload Bucks, you can always click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. If you do decide that Upload Bucks is right for you, I've got a bunch of extra bonuses you're going to be getting if you purchase it through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at this sales page here together. It says the world's first system that pays us for uploading videos. Exposed $338.2 billion YouTube algorithm pays us $59 over and over for uploading other people's videos. Just hit the upload button and you're all set. No making videos yourself, no expenses, no hard work. Here's how. So they're claiming that they've made $156,000 in 2022 alone, which it's only been what, a month, a little month and a half now since the year started. So I don't believe that. They say that they make the more videos they make, the more money they make, $59 per video. I don't believe that as well. We'll pay you $300 if you fail, plus your money back. That's an interesting claim here. So essentially, what is this all about? Well, I'm going to show you inside the members area as well here today. But essentially what they've done is they've shown you a bunch of videos that give you Creative Commons rights, meaning that you can download them and then reuse them. They've actually given you the rights on YouTube. That the people that have made them have said, you can use our videos, you can do whatever you want with them. We don't care. Go ahead and use them. So the idea here is that you take these videos, re-upload them to YouTube, you put an affiliate link underneath them, and then when someone clicks on your link, you make money. People do methods like this where they use other people's videos in order to do that. That is a method that works. But the fact that getting paid $59 over and over and over again simply by uploading these videos, not making any changes to them, that's most likely not going to happen. Most of the people that do these kind of things, they will take these videos and they'll make changes to them. They'll make them better. They'll add their own touch onto them in order to make them successful here. Now, if we look at this, the problem with this page here is that they have a lot of income proof that just I don't believe when it comes to this. I've seen this type of page over and over again, these $59 payments over and over again. I don't believe that. I think this is like a Photoshop type thing, or has something completely different with this as well. All these different things, like these testimonials here, I do not believe that all these people made money. I don't even know if these are real people or if they're just they look like stock people that they say they've earned money from this. I don't believe it. Sorry, I don't. Here they say that you would just log in, upload a video, and then start making $59 over and over again. That's not going to happen. In order to build a YouTube channel up, it takes time. You have to do it slowly. You don't just upload videos and start making $59 over and over again. If that was true, I wouldn't be making this video right now. I'd just be uploading just all kinds of videos on YouTube and making $59 over and over again. It doesn't happen. Here again, they've got that screenshot here showing you the money that you could make with this. Yeah, if we go down here, I mean, we're used to these pages. I hope that we've woken up a little bit by now. If you follow my channel, I hope that you've woken up to the fact that these things, we've seen this sales page over and over again. This is a template. Like this, earnings doubled. This is all made up here. It's not real. When is this going to change? Please. Okay, so a bunch of bonuses. If you decide you're going to purchase, if there's something in here that you like, and I'm going to show you what you're going to get. You're going to get the system, the upload monetization technology, the mobile edition, the step-by-step training, the bonuses here for a low one-time price. You can add on $8 here for a 6-week training pack. I'm going to show you something else here as well. If you are planning on getting this, move your mouse away and you can get a lower price. You can bring the price down to $17. I make less as an affiliate by showing you these discounts and stuff. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to do it more in the future. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a video of them explaining it a little bit more here. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you the back end area. I'm going to show you the different upgrades and the discounts as well.
Ding! You just received a payment of $1,470.65. This was the exact notification I saw on my phone this morning. I received a payment of $1,470.65. Proof. This was paid directly to my personal PayPal account. So I can deposit these earnings to my bank account at any moment and spend them however I want. Now, the money isn't the crazy part. It's about how I make the money, which is a way you'd never expect. Lowest possible price. I'll see you inside.
Okay, so we're back here. So this is the dashboard here. So if you look inside the dashboard, the first thing I tried to find was tutorials. At the time of recording this, which is like hours before it goes live, there were no guides or tutorials. So maybe they're going to be in there later, but I couldn't find out any tutorials in here for this. So I was kind of blind going through this. I was going through, like if I go over, let's see, here's the support desk video tutorials. Nope, still not there. Like as far as what I understood, I went through this and I was looking at the product here, your product upload bucks. It says this is a certificate that you own it. They have like an emailing suite inside of it. So if you want to do, looks like it has some kind of an emailing suite. So maybe if you need to do email marketing, you could potentially use this. Like the campaigns here, here's a sample campaign. They have done for you affiliate links. So these are affiliate links to products on ClickBank, so you don't have to get approved to them. And then they explain kind of what Creative Commons is, and they give you videos that you can re-upload. Now, these are from John Crestani. here, these videos right here, these are like internet marketing, make money online, emails, and these videos have Creative Commons to them. So like if you go and you look at these videos, so let's look at this guy's video here. Let's just open that up, and we look in the description for that video. We look down here, it says license, Creative Commons, attribution license, reuse allowed. So you can reuse that video. This video has 16,000 views. You can go out there and reuse this video and put your affiliate link on it. So that's where the kind of the strategy comes from with this, reusing other people's videos. But of course, don't expect you're going to upload that video and just make like $59 from like that. You will have to like do this on like a regular basis and potentially add your own spin on these, add some value to these videos. Don't just like upload other people's videos just like that. It's probably not the best thing to do. And then they have some done for you traffic sites here, which I click that, and that brings me over here to, again, this. So I don't know if this is not done yet or what. If there were tutorials, I could have watched the tutorials that could have helped me out here. They've got some video guides and some traffic guides, emailing guides here with this that you get. But yeah, that's what I saw inside here in the product. They do have multiple upgrades here. So let's go over to the upgrade. First upgrade is the unlimited version. So it removes any limitations on your account. You can move your mouse away and bring the price down to 37 for that. So again, I make less by showing you these discounts. Hit that like button, please, if you like the fact that I showed these. Next one here says you can start making $500 to $800 per day with this. It's a done for you setup. You can get a discount. It's normally $297. You can bring the price down to $197 by moving your mouse away. Next one here, again, you can move your mouse away and get a discount. This is the Instant Profit Edition, so it looks like it's, I don't know, it says it's faster. I don't know how it's faster. But the next one here, make an extra $200, $300 a day. It looks like they're going to send you traffic with this. I don't know if this is, there's a thing where they let people put their retargeting picks on their sales page. So that might be it. You can bring the price down to $97. And this one right here, this is a reseller rights. You can resell and keep 100% of the profits. You can bring the price down to 97 there. And the last one here is new income streams that you can add into it. Move your mouse away, bring the price down to 27. All OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Upload Bucks and what don't I like about it? What I don't like about it, the marketing behind this, all those testimonials on the sales page, I don't believe them. All those like income screenshots, I don't believe them. So all that stuff there, if you're going to consider purchasing this, do not purchase it based on the fact that you think you're going to make $59 over and over again by uploading other people's videos and not making any changes to them. That's just not going to happen. Building a YouTube business takes time. And you do need to have a system in place in order to do that. And in general, you need to change the videos, even if they are Creative Commons. What do I like about this? I guess the fact that they do show you how, like, some Creative Commons videos there, give you some affiliate links to promote with it. There were some email marketing tools inside there, but hopefully they'll have tutorials in there that will explain this method a little bit more. And that it will help you out in figuring out this whole method. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Upload Bucks, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.